Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. Our firm is based in Washington, D.C., and we help clients all over the United States with various types of immigration applications, immigration concerns. I am streaming right now. I'm going to move over here. Sorry. I'm streaming right now on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube. Okay, so we're on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And I come on here to talk about immigration and provide information about immigration in case it might help you understand it a little bit better, understand US immigration laws just a little bit more than you did before. If you have some general questions, I'm providing answers for them, and I'm just going to talk about some common questions that come up in our practice that might help you understand immigration a little bit more than maybe before you joined this call. If you want to keep getting notifications when I come on live, please follow us and like us on our social media platforms. We're on Facebook, on YouTube, and TikTok. Okay, that's Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. We can help you with immigration no matter where you are in the U.S., okay? No matter where you are in the United States, we can certainly help you with your immigration applications, since immigration is federal and your attorney can be located anywhere in the U.S. All right? Okay. Let me start off with this question that comes up quite often. And while I'm talking, say hello. Lisa started following us. Thank you, Lisa. Just a reminder for you guys, please follow us on our social media if you haven't already and you want to be notified. If you have friends or family that want to join this conversation, please share this with them as well. We have another person with several other folks here that started following us. Great. Thank you, guys. Follow us, like us on our social media platforms so you can be notified when I come on. And of course, share this with others if you think they want to join in this immigration conversation, okay? So the first question that I want to talk about today is about green cards and having a criminal history while applying for a green card. So some questions that come up, in fact, today I had a consultation and this question came up: does my criminal history disqualify me from applying for a green card? So if you have a criminal conviction, sometimes it can impact your green card application. So some very serious crimes like murder, for example, or embezzlement or fraud or something like that, sometimes can impact your green card application, right? It depends on a few things. Most importantly, when this crime occurred, if you were convicted, what the penalty was. So all of those things are important in determining whether or not it might impact your green card application. So you should keep that in mind before you apply. So if you have a criminal history, you definitely want to speak with an attorney before applying for a green card, because it's not just a green card denial that you might be looking at. It might make you removable from the US, right? So you want to keep that in mind and be extra careful. If you have a criminal history and you would like to apply for a green card, doesn't automatically disqualify you. Many people, we've represented them, people that have had criminal histories, have a criminal record, can still qualify. So don't worry about that necessarily. And don't worry about that. But sorry, I don't know what happened here. I hope you guys can still see me on TikTok. Okay, perfect. So don't worry about that if you are in that situation. But feel free to reach out to us if you're interested in a green card, you have a criminal history, and you think you might qualify. We might need to do some research on your convictions, on the charges, but we can advise you on what will happen, okay? And if you should even proceed for citizenship or for a different status from something to a green card, okay? It can have some serious implications, so you want to take note of that and reach out to an attorney to have a consultation at minimum to see if it will impact your green card application, all right? Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. My clients are all over the United States. We have a fantastic legal team that can help process any type of immigration application. Okay, so I'd be happy to assist you with that. Our consultations, just so you know, if you'd like to call us and talk to us about your specific case, our consultations are conducted by Zoom, by phone, or in person. Okay, that's Zoom, phone, or in person. If you want to reach out to us, I'd be happy to chat with you in any of these methods. And what we do is we discuss the process, your eligibility for different visas or green card applications, and the process our firm uses to complete those applications, but also the steps that you can look forward to before the final green card is approved or the final visa is approved. Okay, so we walk you through everything step by step to show you what you can expect, and we talk to you about what we will need from you in order to prepare that application. All right, give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal, and I would love to chat with you about your cases. Again, just a reminder, we have some folks here that have already started following us. Awesome, thank you. Just a reminder to follow us and like us on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. If you want to be notified when we go live, of course, share this post with others if you think they would like to join us in this conversation, okay? Great, NM, hello, nice to see you. Thank you for always joining and being such a patron of this live that I come on and speak on. Okay. Here, another question. What if I have a low income? Can I still petition someone for a green card, right? So if my income is low and I'm a green card holder, or if I'm a US citizen, can I still bring somebody over in order to help them with a green card? So if I get married, I don't have an income, my spouse is abroad, and I want to bring them, how does that work? So you can still sponsor. You can use what's called a joint sponsor. So if there's a green card holder or a US citizen who will help support this application, they can help meet the income requirements in order to be able to sponsor your spouse. I just had a consultation today where we talked about the person that the intending immigrant, they might be able to use their own income to sponsor. They can also have friends or family support them if they need to meet the minimum income requirements. Okay, give us a call if we can help. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Can I apply for a second I-130 if I have a pending I-824 to be safe? That is a great question, Thali. Okay, so one, if you have an 824, that means you started your process outside of the country and you started here and you were changing it from adjustment of status to consular processing. That is what an I-824 is, right? So I-130 is the same for both. I would just wait for the 824 to be adjudicated because you don't have two applications, but technically you can withdraw the first one and you can refile if that makes more sense. Okay. Ngozi Jane says, please, ma'am, what is the process for applying for VAWA and how long does it take? That's a great question. First, we represent more VAWA clients than any other clients for our firm. So we work on a lot of VAWA cases. We have a lot of experience with VAWA. Let me tell you that the process can be complicated, right? So most of our clients can qualify for VAWA and a green card. So if you qualify for both, that's something you really want to consider doing because right now there are no government filing fees for green card applications based on VAWA. Okay, so that's something you want to take advantage of if you qualify. So the processing time for VAWA alone is going to be about 1.5 years. But if you apply for a VAWA and a green card, you'll get a work permit in about 7 months. You will get travel authorization to leave this country and come back in about 7 months as well. The VAWA will be approved in about 1.5 years, and the green card can be about 2.5 to 3 years. So it's great. It's great. You get a lot of benefits almost right away when you apply for a VAWA. So give us a call if we can help you. You want to prepare a strong application from the start. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. To schedule a consultation, Ngozi, call the office. Right now, my assistant has left for the day, but you can leave a message and she'll give you a call tomorrow. Or you can go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration. You can go there and schedule directly from there. You'll see my availability, and I will see you next week, either by Zoom or phone or in person, and we can talk about your VAWA application. All right, I hope that helps you. Give us a call or check us out on Facebook or our website where you can schedule a consultation and get started on this process. Okay. Ngozi says, but I live in New Jersey. It's okay. We have lots of clients in New Jersey and New York and California, Texas. It's okay. So we can represent you no matter where you are located. So don't worry about it. We can do the consultation by phone or by Zoom. So you don't have to come here to DC. If you want to come to DC, you're welcome to. You don't have to come to DC, but we can do our consultations by Zoom, which is going to be like this, talking to each other, or by phone, which is, obviously on the phone. Okay. But call us. Or you can go to our Facebook page right now and you can schedule a consultation, and that is Agarwal Immigration. Okay. Hope that is helpful to you. You can also Google my name and you'll see Pratibha Agarwal on where to schedule. All right. I hope that is helpful to you, Ngozi Jane. I hope that we can talk about your VAWA application. Michael says, how do you prove good moral character if you have a criminal record, right? So how do you prove good moral character if you have a criminal record? So good moral character in almost all applications is something that is taken in consideration. The criminal record is just one aspect of your moral character. So you show other ways that you can demonstrate good moral character. So we had once a client who had a criminal record, and there was a really good explanation for what happened, right? So he was undocumented, he got into a car accident, and then he took off because he didn't want to get deported. So that was a pretty good explanation, and it was also 20-something years ago. So you want to show that you file taxes, you want to show that you help other people. This person in particular was a deacon in a church, so that was something that we could provide. He also had 5 children. One of them was autistic, right? So we were able to show that he works super hard and he supports his whole family. And he also has this extra, the special needs child that he also is patient with and he supports. So these are all things that show good moral character. Other people can also write affidavits to talk about what a great person you are, how you've been there for them. So many ways to show that you are a productive member of the community, that you have helped others. So there's lots of ways to do this. You can give us a call. You're saying there's a dismissed criminal record. That's even better, right? If it's dismissed, then it can't really be used against you, but you want to explain what happened and you want to show that you weren't at fault. All right, give us a call if we can help. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all over the United States in their immigration applications. If you want to give us a call, I would love to chat with you about that, okay? All right. Okay. Petition, someone is saying that their I-130 and adjustment of status application was denied. Can I still apply for VAWA, right? So my I-130 and my adjustment of status was denied. Can I still qualify for VAWA? Yes, absolutely. We actually have a lot of clients in this situation because sometimes when a spouse is abusive, they might intentionally sabotage that first green card process by not coming to the interview, by withdrawing the petition, by making false statements, right? So there's lots of things that an abusive spouse sometimes does in the I-130 process when they are the ones sponsoring you for a green card because they have all of the control in that situation. So we have many clients that started off with their spouse, then they just couldn't tolerate the abuse, or the spouse was very abusive or withdrew or was threatening to or did sabotage the green card application. And we provided assistance for them to apply for VAWA, which is a self-petition that they do not need their spouse for, right? It's based on the fact that they're married, but their spouse is not involved in that application and does not need to be present for any interview or provide any information. So they were able to move forward with and apply for a green card and receive a green card on their own without the help of their spouse. So that is VAWA, and you can absolutely qualify. Give us a call if we can help you with that. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I work with a lot of VAWA cases, and I would love to help you with yours. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney in Washington, D.C. Our clients are everywhere, so we can help you even if you are not in D.C. We can still help you with your immigration case. Okay, I hope that helps you. Mira says, on March 8th, I sent an adjustment of status with work permit, and it got rejected as the wrong category. Do I have to pay for the $765? So if it gets rejected, they usually return the check as well. If it gets denied, then they take your payment. So this is another reason to consider working with an immigration attorney, because if the payment is, they're still going to take your payment, right? It's a waste of money sometimes. If you don't know what you're doing, you think you know what you're doing, you choose the wrong category. These immigration applications can be pretty complicated. So what you want to do is make sure that you can, that you're putting forth the best application, the strongest application, the most complete application without any inaccuracies, okay? Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients everywhere on all types of cases. All right, someone said here, my VAWA was approved. Yay, congratulations. And I applied for a green card. How long does it take for a decision? So at least one more year after the VAWA, usually, right? Sometimes it's very fast, sometimes it's a little bit slower, but usually about one more year, okay? Elpesh says, my mother overstayed in India. Do I need to reapply for her green card? If your mom overstayed in India, she can perhaps, depending on how long she overstayed, there's something called an SB1 process, which is an abbreviated green card process. So that might be something you want to consider for your mom, okay? What is the average wait time for a marriage-based adjustment of status, right? So what is the average wait time for a marriage-based adjustment of status application? The average wait time is about a year. That's what we're seeing. If you applied for work authorization and travel authorization with your adjustment of status application, you will get that much sooner, usually before 6 months or around 6 months from the time that you apply. That gives you a lot of benefits, as though almost that you have your green card even, right? Because you can work legally, you can travel in and out of the country while you wait for that green card to be approved. If we can help you with your adjustment of status applications, please call us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, and we help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Lily says you'll get travel within 6 months. So it's not a travel visa. It is called advanced parole, right? You want to make sure you properly applied, and usually it takes between 6 and 7 months to receive that if you do it properly, right? So you want to make sure that the supporting documentation is there, you have the correct number of passport photos. This can be a little bit complicated, so you want to make sure you're doing it properly. All right. I hope that helps you guys. Let's see, what other questions are there? Okay, yes, I sent $1225 with the $485, but since the new fee, the EAD is not free, do you think I have to pay? So if you're applying now, right, if it got rejected because you made a mistake and you're applying again, you'll have to pay. Yeah, absolutely. All right, will my immigration status be affected if my VAWA is denied, right? So if my VAWA is denied, will my current immigration status be affected? If you are truthful and accurate in everything that you have submitted, you should have nothing to worry about if the VAWA is denied. But if you work with an immigration attorney experienced with VAWAs, hopefully they will let you know how strong your case is from the beginning, and they will help you prepare a very strong application, okay? Very important to work with your attorney in preparing that application. If it gets rejected, if it gets denied, you're not going to automatically get put in removal proceedings. That is not something that is happening currently. So don't worry about that. You can reach us if we can help you with your VAWA case at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all over the United States with their immigration applications. All right, can I apply for a VAWA if I'm in a same-sex relationship? What do you guys think? Can I apply for a VAWA if I'm in a same-sex relationship? Absolutely. We do have clients that are in same-sex relationships where we are applying for a VAWA for them. It has to be a real marriage. And of course, same-sex marriages are considered legal here in the United States. So that is perfectly applicable for VAWA. To be a real marriage, not just for immigration. The abusive spouse has to be a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, right? And you've had to live with them, and there has to be abuse in the marriage. Remember, all types of abuse counts. You can use emotional abuse, verbal and psychological abuse as well. So call us so we can help prepare a very strong VAWA petition for you to increase your chances of receiving a green card and a VAWA if you're eligible. Give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Vicky says, what is your fee to handle a marriage-based green card case? So everybody's applications are different. So give us a call. Our consultation is $150, and we will work with you on, we have different payment options for the fees, for the green card fees. So the first thing to do is schedule a consultation so we can review your application and give you the rates. Okay, so call us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Adil, thank you. He followed us. Thank you for following us. Just a reminder, if you want to be notified when I go live, you should like us and follow us on our social media platforms. You can check out our Facebook page or our website to schedule a consultation right now. You can see my availability. If you can't do that right now, you can also call the office, 703-348-1663, and my assistant can assist you in scheduling that consultation with us to talk about your case and talk about the process and everything that's involved in applying for a status for you, okay? I hope that is helpful. Give us a call. Would love to meet many of you in person or by phone or Zoom. If you have friends or family that want to join us for this conversation, please share this with them. Reminder again to like us and follow us. I know I didn't get to a lot of questions today, so I'm going to do one last question today, and please make sure you stay in touch with us so you can be notified and join me again when I come on, okay? All right, can I apply for VAWA if I have been deported, right? Can I apply for VAWA if I've been deported? So this depends, right? So it depends on your situation and why you were deported. If you are outside of the United States, you might still be eligible for VAWA. So that is something you really need to talk to us about, right? And we need to see if you were barred from re-entry. That's another thing to look for. So call us if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We can help you with your immigration applications, no matter where you are located inside the U.S. or outside the U.S. Okay, I hope that is helpful to you guys. It's wonderful to see so many of you today joining me. If you have friends or family, please share this with them. Come on again, and I will get to your question if I didn't get to it today. Okay? Thank you, everybody. Have a great evening, and I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.